Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what is Happy Studio by McDonald's Happy Meal app. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just open my Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, just open your Apple Store and I will directly search for Happy Meal app. Okay, Happy Meal. Okay. So from here you can see McDonald's. Just download here, and when you will just buy a Happy Meal, there will be uh, like a QR code. You can just scan into this app, and it will show some related story or some fact about that thing. So this is the Happy Studio by McDonald's Happy Meal app. Okay. If you have any question, what is this and how it works, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.